1995 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab two-wheel drive here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle, 106,850 is all in this one at the moment. Light autumn wood metallic, beige custom cloth interior. Let's take a look at this grille and bumper up front. See the chrome, nice shape. Cowl induction hood has been added. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the American Racing. Polished wheels. It's like Royal radials. And take a look at how solid this truck is around the wheel wells, down in the lower rockers, cab corners. We'll get back to that in a second. And also really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Clean truck. Side window vents have been added. Interior would be a split bench. 60/40. I believe that was considered with the fold down armrest. Does have a JVC aftermarket stereo system added. And we will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look. But you can see passenger seat, nice shape. Same as the dash. Headliner. Nice condition. Also has a soft tonneau cover, so that'd be a roll up. Vinyl tonneau cover, nice fit. And again, around those rear wheel wells, solid, little bit of a scuff right there it looks like. Nothing major, and again, cab corner, nice and solid. Few technician notes on this one. Checked out well in the service department, by the way. Brakes straight, and the brakes are 90% in the front, 90% in the rear. Really didn't have anything negative to say on this. Clean truck. All right, chrome in the rear bumper also looks good. Receiver hitch, of course. I mentioned it does have a bed liner, and you will be able to see that in the still pictures. And speaking of still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com is where they can all be seen. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, pay attention to those lower rockers around that wheel well. And just no sort of major nicks, dings, or scratches. Again, this thing is clean. If you like Chevy trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And these have become more and more and more popular as time goes on. Of course, the square body is always popular. And again, around those wheel wells, lower rockers, back to the cab corner. And in the still pictures, take your time looking at the underside. There's over 100, I bet you close to 100 still pictures, probably a few more online. All right, Silverado package, of course. And along with that Silverado package, you have the preferred equipment group. So this thing's nicely equipped. Of course, your power windows, power locks, power lumbar, cruise control, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's the exact miles, 106,850. And again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms actual miles. Stereo working. Old Dire Straits. And again, top of that dash, nice shape. No surprises on the inside, no rips, tears, holes. Really, that custom cloth interior, not showing much wear at all. No surprises underneath the armrest. Of course, on the rear seating, you could fold up for storage, or you can fold it down for seating, and you'll be able to see that a lot better in the still pictures. Looks like we have a microphone for the stereo system, so obviously more modern, probably Bluetooth style stereo system. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Sounds as you would expect. And both the sides of this truck are so clean up and down them. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this cowl hood open. Check out the underside of that. Take a peek at the engine bay and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, underside of that hood, and that is steel, by the way. It's not glass. There it is, 5.7 liter. Should have been an upgraded engine in 95. Automatic with overdrive trans, power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like a newer AC compressor. Otherwise, pretty stock looking engine bay. Running smooth, looking good. '95 Chevrolet Silverado extended cab, two-wheel drive, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1995 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck in kind of a sand color, might be my choice of words. Nice cowl induction hood, matching very well. The interior also that color, something you don't see that often, and inserts in the doors of a cloth. Also haven't seen that very often. There's a JVC stereo in the dash.
Frustrated with dieting each and every year.
Nice clear audio out of that unit. This truck sounds good. Sounds like a stock Silverado to me. Acceleration is good. Shifts nice and firm from the automatic transmission. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. Oil pressure showing 60 psi. The temperature approximately 180. Still warming up a little bit. Fuel gauge reads completely full. The battery gauge is right about 14, so it is charging. And the AC is blowing cold. Very nice condition inside and out. Not much for flaws to be seen. Carpeting on the bottom of the doors with speakers in the doors. It's a well dressed up truck. Of course, seating in the back in this extended cab area. And storage with a nice tonneau cover. The headliner looks good. Nice smooth ride on the road. The horn works. Horn usually works on these trucks. This one's no different. Brakes nice and smooth. Very effective. This truck from Win Trucks didn't have to be huge to get the job done. Great visibility. Corners as it should. The kickdown works great on the automatic transmission. Cloth seats, a split bench up front, pull down armrest. Cruise control works as well. This truck is ready to go. Take a look at all the pictures of it at uniqueclassiccars.com.